What should not be put in a septic tank? Septic tanks are essential for waste management in homes that are not connected to a public sewer system. To keep your system working properly and avoid costly repairs, it's crucial to know what should never go into a septic tank. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here are key items to avoid flushing or dumping into your septic system. 1. Non-biodegradable items. Plastic, glass, and metal products don't break down in a septic tank and can cause clogs. Never flush these items, as they can block the system. 2. Harsh chemicals. Bleach, drain cleaners, and disinfectants can kill the bacteria that help break down waste in your septic tank. Stick to natural cleaning products. 3. Grease and cooking oils. Grease solidifies in the pipes, causing blockages. Always dispose of cooking oils in a separate container, not down the drain. 4. Paper towels and tissues. Unlike toilet paper, paper towels and tissues don't break down easily and can cause blockages. Only flush toilet paper. 5. Medications. Flushing unused or expired medications can contaminate water supplies. Dispose of them at designated take-back programs or local disposal facilities. 6. Hair and nail clippings. Hair and nail clippings don't break down in the septic system and can build up, causing clogs. Keep them out of the drain. 7. Pet waste. Pet waste, including cat litter, can clog the system and introduce harmful bacteria. Dispose of it in the trash. 8. Hazardous substances. Chemicals like motor oil, paint, and solvents can damage the septic tank and pollute the environment. Always use proper disposal methods. 9. Clothing and fabric. Rags, clothing, and fabric don't break down and can block the system. Dispose of them in the trash. 10. Sanitary products. Items like diapers, tampons, and sanitary pads don't decompose in the septic tank and should be thrown away in the trash. By avoiding these items, you can ensure your septic tank functions efficiently and avoid expensive repairs. Always be mindful of what you put down the drain. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.